Hey guys, Tony here. We just hit an all-time high of 008. Not all-time high, but dude, like we broke these resistance levels like nothing. Like, are you kidding? Like, I don't. Does anybody have any news on what's going on? Like, we literally just broke. Like, dude. Like, what the heck? Like, we broke 0.008 cents. Like, what's going on? Like, I'm up almost $1,000 in like a couple of hours, and I mean, I'm kind of, I don't even want to know if I should buy anymore, but I kind of want to really reach that milestone where I have at least a million doggy coins, dude. Like, dude, what is going on? Why are we pumping like this? Who's moving this kind of money? Someone has to know something. If you guys know anything, post in the comments, whatever, right? Whether you're watching me on TikTok or YouTube, did Elon Musk like put something on Twitter? Like, who's pumping this, dude? What the hell's going on? Like, who's moving this? Like, if we keep mooning like this, like, Doggy can easily see $1 within the next week or so, dude. Like, what the heck, dude? Like, I don't want to like say that I'm gonna FOMO in, but at this point, if we hit $1, like, or we hit like at least a cent, that's a couple multiples over. Like I would definitely think about buying like another $1,000 right now. Like $1,000 would get me 132,000 doggy. Like, I'll probably buy another $1,000. Like, if we drop down to like 0.0071 again, like around that level, I'll probably buy another $1,000. Like, dude, what is going on?